Why should you think about buying down your interest rate? Hey friends, I'm Anita L Williamson with James River Realty Group, and today let's talk about why buying down your interest rate may be a good option for you when purchasing a home. A lower interest rate can not only save you money on your monthly mortgage payment, but it will reduce the amount of interest you pay on your loan over time. And that could add up to a considerable amount of money. But first, let's answer what is a buy down of an interest rate. A mortgage rate buy down is when a borrower pays an additional charge in exchange for an interest rate lower than the current market rate that they were offered after completing the approval process by a lender. Next, let's talk about the process to buy down the rate. In order to buy down the interest rate, a purchaser would have to pay points. And when you are paying for points, 1 point is equal to 1% of your loan amount. So typically, mortgage companies offer 0.25% point reduction in exchange for 1 point. Again, that's 1% of the home's purchase price. So let's take a look at that. If you are getting a $200,000 loan, paying an extra $2,000 could reduce your mortgage rate from 4.25% to 4%. Over the life of a 30-year mortgage, a purchaser will save over $10,000 in interest payments, or about $29 a month on your mortgage payment. As you can see, it can make a big difference in your payment and the long-term interest you save, especially if you are buying more than 1 point. Of course, with everything else, there are a few drawbacks to buying down your interest rate. The first is it can be a large amount of money added to your upfront closing costs. You have to bring the rate buy down money to the closing table in addition to all of the other closing costs you have. Also, it's important to make sure this is a home you will be in for a long time so you can reap the rewards of that big upfront payment. The math doesn't quite work out in your favor if you're thinking about selling your home well before the 30-year term of the loan is up. With today's higher interest rates coupled with the higher home costs, this can be a great strategy to save you money on your monthly mortgage payment and thousands in interest costs in the long term. Make sure to speak with your own lender to see if an interest rate buy down would be a good option for you. If you do need a great local lender, just give me a call anytime. I have several rockstar lenders who will take amazing care of you. I'm Anita L Williamson, helping you establish roots in Central Virginia.